As you're looking at our summer schedule, you might notice that we offer before care and lunch care for 3 of the weeks when we have camps at Roper Elementary School. So let me tell you a little bit about that. Before care starts at 7:30, and you can drop off your student at the front of the school where they'll have supervised care until they go to the gym at 8:45 to then meet up with the rest of the campers for their camp to begin at 9 o'clock. Then we have lunch care. So if you wanted to do a morning and an afternoon camp, that lunch care is a perfect way to put that day together. Lunch care, we do not provide the lunch, so the students bring a sack lunch with them, but we have the care. So after they leave camp at 11:45, they will proceed to the lunchroom where they will have supervised care, go outside for recess, and then come back in to get ready for their 1 o'clock camp. Both of those items are an extra charge, but you're able to sign up for both of those when you do your registration.